What is up, guys? So today we're going to be going to the Spirit Halloween store, and we are going to be trying to find makeup and whatever in there, and we're going to be trying to make a look out of whatever we find in the Halloween store. Yeah, we'll see how this goes. Hopefully it turns out cool. We got something cool, right, Slay? So let's head to the Halloween store. Do you think we'll find something? If you guys don't already know, I am obsessed with Halloween. Like, obsessed. Comment down below, do you guys love Halloween or do you guys hate Halloween? Put a pumpkin if you love Halloween. Put a ghost if you don't. Let's go. Bottle of blood, that's what I need. Just spray blood. Should we get some of that? Spray blood and some blood gel. Okay, so here's all the special effects makeup stuff. So I'm gonna need some latex. We're gonna get these horns. So far we have the metal, like the staples, stitches. We have blood gel. And we have these evil devil horns. We got some red, black, and silver stone. I think we got everything. Let's go, guys. What he said. Let's go. We got lots of good items, right? So let's go home and do a makeup look. All right, let me show you what we got. So first up is we got some jams. Then we got these eyelashes. Then we got some horns. And then we got this like wound. We got a choker. We got this like blood gel. I got this tattoo. It was just more for fun. And then we got these, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to wear them because I have like a tooth up there because I still need to lose my baby tooth. Let's get into the look. We're gonna start by gluing on these two. I'm pretty excited about this because this is like the first special effects makeup look I'm doing. We're gonna start by gluing these on with the latex. Regular mirror, and you can put the latex straight on it and you don't have to do anything. And then once it dries, you can just peel it off. You can kind of see from last time I used latex. I don't know if you can see it. If you get it on your hands, just rub it and it dries and flakes and it just... We're gonna start, take a makeup sponge, whatever. You can buy these for like $1 or something. I'm gonna put this on my cheek. Also, do not get the latex in your baby hairs. So don't like glue it right there because that is in your baby hairs. It rips them out. So I'm gonna put just some latex on the back of this. Just putting the latex on the back. Thin coat, I don't know if you can see it, but just a thin coat. And then let it dry for a second so that it gets tacky. And we're gonna do a little bit on the cheek. Now we're gonna stick it on. And obviously it doesn't match my skin tone, but we'll put like foundation over it so it matches. Then once that's on and it's like drying, you're gonna take more latex and just put a layer around the edges. That's looking pretty good, but we're gonna do one more layer just so that we don't have any harsh lines. But see how it's clear now? We're basically just gonna do the same steps. Just gonna put latex on the outside, because There's a hole in the middle. Here. Now we move on to foundation. I'm not sure if this is my skin color, but hopefully it is. Fine, we'll just do a thin layer. Alright, that's the best we're gonna get for that. But I am gonna do concealer under my eyes. Alright, got some powder. Alright, now we're gonna do some contouring. This one's pretty dark. Now we're gonna do a smoky eye. Alright, we are going to grab a flat brush and we're gonna take black. I'm using the James Charles palette. I always use this one for like colors because it has all the colors. You're just gonna press it on the lid. Because we're using black, I'm going to bake under my eyes so that it doesn't get black all under. That just means I'm adding a bunch of powder under there. Now we can go back to our eyeshadow. Then you're gonna take a fluffy brush, just a white fluffy brush, and you're gonna blend it all around so that it gets rid of those harsh lights. Now we're gonna take some silver, we're gonna put it on our lid. Now to add even more pop, we're gonna use this Tarte palette and we're gonna use the silver glitter. Just use your finger. Then we're going to wipe away the bottom and smoke out the bottom lash line. Alright, now it's all cleaned off and we're gonna smoke this on my lash line. Now I'm gonna grab a small brush and we're gonna blend that out. Now we're going to add our lashes. Now I'm gonna pop these babies on with some Duo Lash Glue. Alright, there's the blue. Lashes are on, now we're gonna add some mascara to the bottom. This is the L'Oreal Telescopic. It's my favorite and it's waterproof so you can like go swimming with it. It doesn't even smear that much. Now we're gonna do the lip. We're gonna do some red lips. Now we did the lips, and now we're gonna do the blood. I'm using this fake blood up. So far this one has been the best. It's like kind of like a thicker like gel. We're just gonna kind of cover up these areas. I'm gonna take some black eyeshadow and darken it too. We're gonna take my hair down and then we'll show you the final look. Here's the final look. Alright guys, let me know what you think of this pretty demon look. I thought it was really cool. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and comment down below what video you want me to do next. And I know one of you wanted me to do a zombie tag video with my friends, and I'm working on that one. I love you guys as always, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!